Welcome back. Let's do question 112. Factorize the expression fully. This is a quadratic trinomial. We have to look for the factors of negative 54 that will give us positive 15 if we add them. Right, so we have our two brackets. Let's look for the factors. Negative 54 means one factor is positive and the other factor is negative. And then plus 15 here means that the bigger factor is 1, which is positive. So we can have 1 goes with 54. So this combination cannot give us positive 15. The 2 goes with 27. Again, this combination cannot give us 15. Then 3 goes with 18. Okay, 3 times 18 is 54. From this combination, we can get 15 if 18 is positive, because the bigger factor must be positive, because we want to get positive 15. So the bigger factor is what? Positive. And then the smaller factor is negative, because the product is negative 54. So it must be positive and negative. Right, so positive 18 minus 3 will get positive 15. Then positive 15 times negative 3 will get negative 54. So these are the factors we're looking for. So it becomes x minus 3 and then x plus 18. We have factorized fully.